Creating dynamic pages on Wix is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to open your Wix website, and here you can see that this is my website, and I can edit anything on my website. To add the dynamic page, you have to click on the Pages and Menu button, which is on the left side of the screen. Click on this button, and you can see that a new pop-up is here. And here is many options. On the left side of the screen, Site menu, Sign up and log in, Blog pages, Members, and Area buttons are available. So, at the end, you can see that a button is Add Pages. So, click on this button, and here you can see that the new window is opening. And there are many options on the left side of the screen. And at the end, the option is Dynamic Pages. So, click on this Dynamic Pages button. And this is the sample of the dynamic pages that you can also use. So, you can see that when you move cursor on one of them, so it gives an option of Add Pages. Click on Add Pages button. It takes some time to add in your website. You can customize this dynamic page according to yours. So, this is the way how you can create a dynamic page in your Wix website.